Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to fix neck pain for good. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. A painful neck generally forms when your muscles strain from poor posture or misuse over time. With so many of us staring into computers or gazing down at our smartphones most of the time, it's no surprise we're experiencing neck pain. Actually, data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's 2018 National Health Interview Survey found that around 16% of adults had neck pain within the past 3 months. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you these simple remedies to get rid of neck pain. Stick around to the end. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Gentle massage. Have a mate gently massage the painful or irritated areas. When doing this, touch is vital. Have your partner attempt different methods until they land on one that feels okay. You'll enjoy it if they say, "How does this feel? Do you want more or less pressure?" That's what a massage therapist will do. Then keep adjusting until you both locate the sweet spot. However, no matter what method you choose, he suggests that any massage move should be controlled toward the heart. This corresponds to how blood flows in your veins and the bluish-purple lines visible under your skin. Too much tension going in the wrong path can damage a valve away from your heart. Use a soft neck collar. Question your healthcare provider about utilizing a soft neck collar to ease discomfort. Don't utilize the collar for a long time. Doing so can cause your neck muscles to be weaker. Correct sleep positions. If your neck is annoying you, you should pay attention to your sleep poses. Sleep only on your side or on your back to prevent neck pain, never on your stomach. When you sleep on your stomach, you will usually end up turning your head one way or the other for many hours at a time, which will cause discomfort for your joints. Sleeping on your stomach also can impact your lower back because your belly falls into the bed if you don't have enough support. Proper computer posture. To avoid neck discomfort, place your monitor at your eye level, try to sit up straight, and avoid tilting and twisting your head down or to the side while on the computer. Also, make sure to take intervals from staring at your screen. Apply heat or ice. Utilize ice for the first 48 to 72 hours, then employ heat after that. Heat may be used with warm showers, hot compresses, or a heating pad. Be sure not to fall asleep with a heating pad or ice bag in position to prevent skin injuries. Stretches for stiff neck. The key to easing an inflexible neck is appropriate stretching and manipulation. Doing slow range of motion movements, up and down, side to side, and from ear to ear, can support your neck and gently stretch the neck muscles. Particular yoga postures can also assist in relieving stiffness. Neck flexion, forward bending. Gently lower the chin toward the chest and look downward while only moving the head. Once the head has been bent forward as far as it can comfortably go, maintain the stretch for 5 seconds before returning to the neutral position. The neck flexion motion is felt throughout the back of the neck. Neck extension, backward bending. Slowly stretch the neck by looking upward and getting the head backward while maintaining the shoulders and back stationary. Once the head has gone back as far as it can go without growing pain, keep the stretch for at least 7 seconds before returning the head to the neutral position. During a neck stretching movement, the stretch is felt along the front of the neck through the throat. The muscles performing at the back of the neck may also be felt, from the base of the skull all the way down to the upper back. Lateral neck flexion, bending side to side. Slowly bend the head to one side by bringing the right ear toward the right shoulder. The shoulders and back stay still during this move while the neck turns laterally to the side. Once the head is bent as far as it can comfortably go to the side, keep the stretch for at least 5 seconds before returning the head to the neutral situation. This stretch is then repeated in the opposite direction. When the sideways neck flexion is done with the head bending toward the right shoulder, the stretch is felt along the left side of the neck. Neck rotation, turning side to side. While maintaining the back straight and shoulders still, slowly turn the head to the right as far as it can naturally go without advancing pain. Once the head has got its rotation limitation, keep the stretch for 5 seconds before returning it to a neutral situation. This same stretch should be repeated to the left. Of all these stretches mentioned for a stiff neck, rotation is often the most problematic, particularly on one side. It is suggested to only spin the neck partway if that is all that can be done without raising pain. Often, signs can stay over months if you maintain doing the offending behavior. Neck discomfort from car accidents can last a long time. But if you don't get in another car wreck, your pain will typically go away over several months. Regardless, if you don't change a routine that drives neck pain, like utilizing a computer monitor poorly, it will last. If pain continues and gets in the way of your daily actions, or any remedy you try doesn't seem to be working, other health care might be necessary. If you tested some things on your own and after 2 months it's not gone away, it's probably time to visit your doctor to figure out if there's an underlying problem or some behavior you must change. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.